Hi everyone, I'm Shem Kubehama. Today I'm gonna introduce to you what is air pollution. First, I will introduce about the air. Air is essential for life itself. Without it, we could survive only a few minutes. It constitutes immediate physical environment of living organism. The atmosphere is layered into four distinct, which are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, and thermosphere. Normal components of air. Atmosphere is made up of approximately 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. Air also has small amounts of other gases too, such as carbon dioxide, neon, and hydrogen. So, what is air pollution? Air pollution consists of gases, liquids, or solids present in the atmosphere in high enough levels to harm humans, other organisms, or materials. Air pollution is often identified with major stationary sources, but the greatest sources of emissions is mobile sources, mainly automobiles.
Substances not naturally found in the air or at greater concentrations or in different locations. Pollutants can be classified as either primary or secondary. Primary pollutants are substances directly emitted from a process such as ash from a volcanic eruption and carbon monoxide gas from a motor vehicle exhaust or sulfur dioxide released from factories. Secondary pollutants are not emitted directly. Example of this is ground level ozone, one of the many secondary pollutants that make up photochemical smog. Major primary pollutants produced by human activity are sulfur oxides, nitrogen oxides, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, volatile organic compounds, particulate matter, toxic metals, chlorofluorocarbons, ammonia, odors, radioactive pollutants. Secondary pollutants, smog such as nitrogen dioxide, ground level ozone, and peroacetyl nitrate.
Sources of air pollution refer to the various locations, activities, or factors which are responsible for the releasing of pollutants in the atmosphere. These are two major categories, which are anthropogenic and natural resources.
From these two major sources of air pollution, we should keep in mind that we need to take our role in protecting and reducing such things that causes this pollution. We should avoid the neglection and lack of responsibility towards nature and to our own resources. Next, we have is natural sources. Are resources that are drawn from nature and used with few modifications. This includes sources of value characteristics such as commercial industrial use, aesthetic value, scientific and cultural value, just like in these images, that's from natural sources. Usually a large areas of land with navigation, the methane that was emitted by the digestion of food by animals, radon gas from radioactivity decayed within Earth's crust, smoke and carbon monoxide from wildfires, and lastly, volcanic activity which produce sulfur chlorine and ash particulates.
Effects on health and the environment. Like photochemical pollutants, sulfur oxides contribute to the incidence of respiratory diseases. Acid rain, a form of precipitation that contains high levels of sulfuric or nitric acids, can contaminate drinking water and vegetation, damage aquatic life, and erode buildings. Indoor air pollution is a problem in developed countries where efficient insulation keeps pollutants inside the structure. Carbon monoxide, for example, by driving oxygen out of the bloodstream, causes fatigue, headache, disorientation, and diseased muscular coordination and visual acuity.
What you can do to reduce air pollution. Think about it. Efficient travel, energy efficiency and good housekeeping, buy products that are recycled, have less packaging and are reusable, and green your area, plant trees, shrubs, and grass.